I mean, as I said, we human being always doing research, you know what I mean, for things, for, you know what I mean, for looking after ourselves, looking after our body, make sure we're healthy, fit, and ready to go out there. You understand? Alright. So anyway, we are last year. I remember when I did that a couple. I don't remember if it was last year or the year before. I did a video talking about how you must eat veg and fruits and be healthy, stay healthy, look healthy, fit, and ready. Now we recognize that eat more vegetable, eat more fruits, which we all know that. Eat a lot of vegetable, eat a lot of fruits. It is good for you. The reason why today I can say, you know what I mean, research, always doing the research, and we always getting news about eating veg and fruits and be healthy and stay healthy and look healthy and be healthy. So today I'm gonna share a good news again. I want you guys to eat a lot of, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Alright? Veg, fruits, can't too much. I talk it all the time in my video that, you know what I mean, I have a juice bar channel which I do run also, and I want to say eat a lot of vegetable and fruits, cannot too much. As you can see, I make smoothie in all different kind of ways, guys, with a lot of different kind of stuff. So I'm just want to introduce my fans them, my friends them, all of my friends them. Listen guys, I just want you to know that eating more than 10 fruits and veg every day is good for you. Alright? Because, you know what I mean, when you look how much chicken and pork and beef and lamb and all these things where we've been eating, you know what I mean, we need to eat more vegetable and more fruits every day. You know, fight against cancer, sugar, heart attack, all of these things, headache, pain, everything. Eat a lot more vegetable and a lot more fruits every day, and honestly, you will be better off every day in your life. Alright guys, I want to say, remember as I said before, eat a lot of vegetable, eat a lot of fruits, you know what I mean, it's just good for you, and you know what I mean, keep your immune system grow day to day and stronger every day as it goes along. So as I said before, like, we were talking about like heart attack, cancer, strokes, all of these things. The more vegetable, the more fruits you eat, it is better for you. So guys, I want to say, stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. We got a lot more ideas. I'm always sharing things with my fans them, and I always make you guys know what's going on, and you know what I mean, just stay tuned, and we have a lot more stuff coming your way. You know what I mean, at least 500 likes, 500 comments will be brilliant for me. So thank you so much to tune into the show, and we got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. One more time again, as I said, more vegetable, more fruits is good for you. Fight against strokes, heart attack, diabetes, sugar, cancer, all of these things. The more vegetable and fruits we eat every day, it is